So Westlands is the Nairobi's busy commercial and lifestyle center. It has offices, shopping malls, restaurants, and entertainment. Because of this, there is always strong demand for rental houses and apartments. The value of property here also keeps going up. So Diamond Bay residence is in the best location close to business, leisure, and main roads. This makes life easier for people living here. And it is what Thailanders always look for when choosing a home.
It is a chance to own part of Nairobi's future. For investors, it gives great rental returns. For families, it offers safe, modern city living. So for first-time buyers, it is an affordable entry into the property market.
So far, we have 6 projects here in Kenya, Nairobi. Yeah. So Diamond Bay is a 6th one. So other 5 project has complete. Diamond Bay, the price starting from 8.8 million. So because we have 1 and 2 bedroom. So it depends the size, yeah, and the floor.
Wanafanya kazi kwa Diamond Bay ni zaidi ya watu 220 ambao wanafanya kazi kila siku. Tumefanya nao kazi zaidi ya miaka kama 8 tukifanya nao kazi. So wako na kazi ya permanent kila wakati.